Hi, I'm Mr. Edmondson and I'm the Head of Science at UTC Portsmouth, and I'm here to talk to you today about our A-Level Physics course. The A-Level Physics course that we offer at UTC Portsmouth is going to build quite naturally on the GCSE course that you have been studying. You'll see a lot of familiar topics that we expand upon and go into much greater depth and detail to really dive into the how and why things occur the way they do. You'll take a deep dive into subjects such as particle physics, energy and mechanics, nuclear physics, and also some of our optional units. Unlike A-level biology and chemistry, A-level physics has some optional units that can be tailored to suit your interests. Some of those units can include things like electronics, astrophysics, turning points, and medical physics. I'm thrilled to say that A-level physics is one of our most popular courses at UTC Portsmouth. As such, we have a lot of students who subscribe to study A-level physics every year. So what we've done in order to keep class sizes as small and as impactful as possible is we've recruited a large expert team to ensure that the physics curriculum is delivered to the best standards possible. This team not only knows their stuff, but they're also rife with enthusiasm to ensure that you really get the most out of this subject and get to see how far this subject could take you in your future studies. Owing to the strength of the physics teaching here at UTC Portsmouth, our college was selected to become the Institute of Physics regional hub. This means that staff from the local area and local schools come to us to enrich and improve their subject teaching. It's a really exciting time to be studying physics. As science, technology, and our culture rapidly develop, we need a team of experts with real working skills to drive this innovation forward. At the UTC Portsmouth Science Department, we put you at the centre of your learning. You do this via what we call the pathway system, which is a document which fully breaks down your course, your specification, and the practical skills that you need to develop so that you can track and monitor and have absolute control over your course and your development. During a normal week, you'll have approximately 5 hours of taught lessons. During those lessons, you will focus on the learning of new key concepts, but also the practical development and working with your peers. Your time in lessons is not going to be spent wasted writing up notes, copying off the board. Your time is going to be spent really diving into real problems and working with your subject matter. This will ensure that the time you spend in physics is going to be as valuable as possible. In addition to the 5 hours of physics you'll do during the week, we also offer mentoring. For those of you looking to push yourselves to the highest grades, or those of you looking to get some support. As physics is such a popular subject at UTC Portsmouth, it means that there's a lot of students studying it. We keep our class sizes in A-level physics to around about 12 students. This is important to make sure that you get the contact time with the teachers that you need. This also means that the group sizes are large enough so that you can engage in meaningful dialogue with your peers and engage in some really high-value practical work. Your A-level physics qualification will be awarded through the completion of 3 examinations that you will sit at the end of Year 13. 2 of the 3 papers will focus on all of the physics content, whereas the 3rd paper will include some of the optional units that you might have selected. As well as the A-level qualification, you will also work towards what's called the practical endorsement. This is a qualification that you will naturally gain through the completion of practical work throughout your academic years. You will work closely with your teacher and your peers to ensure that you meet the criteria to have this qualification awarded. This is an important qualification because it not only says that you know your physics, but that you can use your physics. I hope you found this information useful. Should you wish to find out more, please do look at our prospectus available on the college website. And should you have any further questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with the college. I look forward to seeing you soon.